You have the same problem. I know we share so much pain. We understand, Ogadenian in Ethiopia, how much you have been suffering in the last, especially 3 years. People did so much for their own sake, in jailing our people and evicting our people from their own home. Those people who kill Oromo, they never represent Somali. Those people who kill Somali, they never represent Oromo as well. We know that. They kill our people because they need something for their own. For their own only, not even for their own family. So we have to be united. Today we have different era, in different chapters. A chapter that may be taking us for the better. We understand even the killing is not stopped today. There is killing here and there in Ethiopia. That killing needs to stop if we unite, if we stand together. We have the same opportunity and the same challenge. This challenge